A part 2, fairly straightforward. If both words enter their anagrams, the program should display the first word followed by the phrase is an anagram of, and then the second word. So when the program is run, the output may look like this. Enter the first word, listen, enter the second word, silent, and then say the first word is an anagram of followed by the second word. So basically this is string concatenation, but you'll notice here that yes has now disappeared and it's going to become this listen is an anagram of silent. So I need to go in here to my yes and put in word 1 and is an anagram of word 2. And that should be it. So if we put in again here silent, I'll just what I'll do is I'll control and enter my shell to see it a bit better. So run it again, put in listen, silent. Listen is an anagram of silent, and that's pretty much what we want there for a part 2.